Well, hello guys, Tim Thomas here. Wanted to get up here, guys, and talk about some of the incredible results that we're experiencing with the Millionaire mailer. Another one of my secret systems that I'm marketing, and the Instant Postcard Wealth Program, guys. Day after day, we are experiencing tremendous results. And one thing that I am so stoked about is that mail order season hasn't even got here fully yet. August 15th forward, guys, through the fall months are just an incredible time. But guys, before we get into the video, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Guys, thank you for viewing the video. Super excited about the results that we're getting and that our members are getting in these programs. Folks, I'm telling you what, people are lining up, signing up. I've never been seen people so excited about mail order and mailing postcards, flyers from the comfort of home. Folks, if you can mail a flyer or a postcard, put a stamp on it, remain consistent, you can literally flood your mailbox with money orders on a daily basis. And guys, I found out that these high ticket programs is what people are wanting. These high levels, because it don't take a lot of people to make a lot of money. Folks, one of these Millionaire mailer payments at the high level, folks, can make your month. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 of them at these $500 and $1,000 payments are just very exciting. When they buy the product package, the product is the marketing package that you get. You're going to get labels. These labels work for the Millionaire mailer or any home-based program that you're working and you're mailing through the mail. That's your product. A part of the products, you're going to get a mail report. In the mail report, it's going to show you how to make $1,000 a week in mail order. You're going to get complete instructions. And folks, we have as a service, you're going to get, we have provided for all of our members a 24/7 playback number of our conference call. We provide a conference call every Tuesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard, for all of your prospects to come and hear an overview of how this program works. It's absolutely incredible. Guys, before I go into the Millionaire mailer, and I'm going to show you what came into the mail today, these priority packages, and let me just show you, some of you have been asking about the Instant Postcard Wealth program. Folks, this program is absolutely incredible. It's still producing the results. And I don't talk about it as much now because I've got video after video after video proof that these payments come in on a daily basis. So guys, we're excited. It's a $98 program, $98 per month, but guys, your first person pays for it. It's your first step to financial freedom. It's a very simple program. You can get residual $98 payments every month. Folks, I have in excess of 5 figures. I'm making 5 figures with this one program. That is incredible. Show you a payment that just came in a few hours ago, guys, and I got one more coming in later on today. So I'm going to leave the link to this program beneath the video. So if you have any questions about it, guys, feel free to reach out to me. It's an amazing program, and you will enjoy it. Very simple, clean website. People can partner with you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on complete autopilot. It has email follow-up. If you don't make the sale the first time, it will follow up, guys, with about 10 messages so that people that join you can make an informed decision to get involved with the program. Look at this video, guys, when you get a chance in your leisure, and enjoy it. And then you can see how much can be made with this program. And this is what the payments look like. You receive the payment here straight into the PayPal account 8 hours ago, 6:30 this morning, 6:36 a.m. received a $98 payment, guys. This is a monthly payment. Next payment is going to come in August the 19th, guys. You're talking about residual income on steroids. Get a hold of the Instant Postcard Wealth program. So we'll leave it there. Now, guys, back to the Millionaire mailer. Let me show you some proof of what has come into the mail today. Show you proof. This is let's see if we can get the date on this thing. The date was I just checked the mail today after the 4th of July. I've been out of town for the 2nd. Sent priority mail. It was in my mailbox. So we're going to open it up and I'll show you what came in to the mail. There's something inside here. And this young lady has joined. She sent me her information via email. Super excited about her joining the program. Let's see what she put inside this envelope. Welcome. Kelly, if you're watching the video, welcome to the program. Wow. Folks, this is what Kelly has joined the Millionaire mailer. And let me show you what level Kelly's coming in at. If you can see this. She coming at Millionaire mailer 6, so TNCL marketing. $500, guys. Another money order Kelly sent in to partner with us. The date on the money order is right there. Absolutely powerful. So guys, another money order for $500 is coming today. So we've got $598, guys. And here's a secret system, guys. Below the video, comment, I want to know about the secret system. And I will send that information to you, or actually email me. I'll put my email address below, and I'll send you information about the secret system. Got another check-in, guys, in the mail with the secret system that I'm doing. Let's open this thing up. See what the contents. There's a check in here. There's a check. This is powerful. There's the people that have partnered with me, and I'll cover this information up. There's a check, guys, that I got today. $248. $248. So guys, let's look at it. It's just 3 o'clock in the evening, and we're looking at a 500, a 98, and a 248. Plus, you're looking at $846. $846 in one single day, with minimum effort. Folks, I didn't know this was coming in. And guys, this can be your reality. This is what, when you leverage systems, when you leverage flyers, postcards, folks, this stuff absolutely works if you work it, if you're consistent, if you sell the product. The product, guys, is the marketing kit, and different levels, the labels, it's going to come to their home, a physical kit coming to their home, and it is absolutely powerful. Guys, when you partner with the Millionaire mailer or me and Instant Postcard Wealth, guys, you're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. You got a team, a group of people wanting you to succeed. And folks, let me tell you what, we just got these new websites, and they're ready, set, go. I spoke to the web designer. She's finalized the video for the new site, and guys, this thing's going to be it's going to convert like crazy. I would encourage you guys, if you're looking at this video, to get in position right now. Start planting seeds so that when mail order season opens up, folks are looking for a way to earn money from their home. They are looking for a mail order program, because a lot of people are in these mail order programs, guys. The Millionaire mailer has stood the test of time, been over here for over 6 years, and we just got these brand new levels. We've got these brand new websites, these brand new postcards, folks. Get the website and the postcards, guys, and you can put your income on autopilot. It's awesome. Of course, income disclaimer, guys, nothing happens until you take action. But when you take action, guys, the website, the conference call, do all the selling, telling, explaining for you. Guys, we're on a website. You can get a website, looks just like this. The proof video will be just right here. Say, well, I'm new, I don't have proof. Proof video will be right here, guys. People will get excited when they see the ability to earn $25, $50, $100, $250, $500, $1,000 payments, guys, in one sign up. When you join a higher level, you get the lesser levels absolutely free, and that is incredible to me. People are excited. Guys, you want a website like this? Click on the convert funnels, and our web designer will hook you up with a website just like this. When people want to partner with you, guys, they can make an informed decision as to what level they want to join. They'll click onto the button, print the flyer out. They will print the flyer out, and they can join from your website, guys. You can choose to mail flyers, or you can mail our proven postcards, and they are amazing, and we're excited about that. The possibilities of this program, folks, are just astounding. And the website, again, guys, tells you why you should be excited, what to do next. This is a friend of ours, Jerry in Florida. Jerry Jefferson is just cranking out the sales with this program. We're so proud of what Jerry's doing. You want to contact Jerry, guys, get partnered with him into this great program. Here's his information, and he can get you started. His private traffic sources right here. So we're excited, guys, about what we're doing with these programs. Lifestyle pictures, guys. Jerry's got this website tailored to him. You can get a website just like this, but yours will be tailored to you if you want. And if you don't have anything that you want to put up there, we'll just make you a generic site, throw you a proof video up there, and get you off to the races. Hey, guys, again, get involved. Now is go time. Get positioned, guys. Get your website set up, and let us do the conference calls for you. Reverend Wilson and different ones. Let us do the selling, telling, explaining. Let the website do the selling, telling. Can you mail a postcard? Let that 24-hour conference call, that's your conference call. When you become a part of this program, guys, that 24-hour message call will do the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. And let that thing sell, tell, and explain for you over and over again. And guys, it will work. It's truly exciting, guys, when you remain consistent as to what can happen in these programs. All right, guys, let me click back over here. Make an informed decision, guys. If you're watching the video, guys, and somebody mailed you a flyer or a postcard, get back with the person who referred you to the program. If it's me, get a hold of me. And guys, let me tell you what, this website is so explanatory. It explains itself. The flyer tells you what to do. Here's the callback number. It's got complete instructions on it. We got people joining this program every day, and we're receiving payments without even talking to these people. That is powerful. Guys, you can choose to have your name, your phone number on the flyer. If you don't want your phone number, no problem. They can call our call center at TNCL Marketing. We'll answer any calls, any questions they may have, and they will sign up with you because they received your flyer. Guys, I'm excited to bring you this video. If you're excited for this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to this channel. We'll bring you some more updates. This is the proof video, the Millionaire Mailer number 6, the secret system, and the instant postcard wealth program. Guys, have a wonderful day. Bye for now until the next video.